Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is actively signed into Facetime because authorization is the most common blocker. Once done, make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and that airplane mode is off. Unstable networks break calls. Also check for iOS updates and restart the device to clear transient issues. Doing these steps first saves time, since software patches and a fresh network handshake often resolve sign-in and connectivity failures. Next, you dive into Settings. Open Settings, tap FaceTime, and confirm FaceTime is enabled and that the correct phone numbers and emails are listed as reachable. If a call still fails, check the recipient's contact entry for correct formatting, include country code when needed, because mismatched addresses cause ringing failures. If addresses look correct but verification fails, sign out of FaceTime and sign back in to force revalidation. This forces a fresh registration with Apple's servers and often restores calling ability. To finish, isolate network causes by testing on cellular data. If FaceTime works there, the Wi-Fi is the issue. Reset network settings or temporarily set DNS to 8. 8 to bypass local DNS problems. Be aware this clears saved Wi-Fi passwords. If problems persist, reboot or update your router's firmware since NAT or firewall rules can block FaceTime ports. If nothing helps, contact Apple support and note error messages, timestamps, and the troubleshooting steps you've already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.